What if aging wasn't fixed? What if your body had a biological age that could move backward, starting tomorrow morning? Imagine feeling younger, more vibrant and full of energy, not years from now, but in a matter of weeks. This isn't about magic pills or extreme diets. Not with supplements. Not with extreme workouts. Not with expensive biohacks. It's about harnessing your body's incredible power just 2 minutes after you wake up. Science now shows that what you do in the first moments of the day can flip powerful switches inside your cells. Switches that control inflammation, energy, and repair. Stay with me, because I'll show you the exact 2-minute routine that targets all of them, helping you reclaim your youthful vitality. Your chronological age is just a number on a calendar. Your biological age measures how old your body actually functions, reflecting your true health and vitality. This is the age that truly dictates how you feel and perform every single day. 2 people can be the same age, yet one experiences chronic inflammation, a sluggish metabolism, and low energy. The other feels younger, stronger, and clearer, brimming with life. The profound difference lies in the daily signals sent to the body, especially during those crucial morning hours. You have the power to influence these signals. This powerful routine isn't just about feeling better. It's about actively reversing the aging process at a cellular level. It targets 3 fundamental systems that control how quickly you age. These are your nervous system, your mitochondria, and your metabolic repair switch. Get ready to unlock your body's innate ability to regenerate and thrive. Let's start your journey to a younger you, right now. Most people wake up immediately stressed, bombarded by phones, alarms, and rushing thoughts. This instantly pushes your body into an accelerated aging mode, depleting your energy reserves. This breathing reset does the exact opposite, signaling deep calm and repair. Here's how to activate your internal anti-aging switch. Sit upright in a comfortable position. Take a deep breath in through your nose or mouth, filling your belly, then your chest completely. Let the air out naturally, fully exhaling. Repeat this for 30 strong, rhythmic breaths. After your final exhale, hold your breath comfortably for 30 to 60 seconds. Then, take one deep, restorative breath in. Hold for 10 seconds and slowly release. This simple practice dramatically increases oxygen, lowers inflammation, and activates genes linked to stress resistance and profound longevity. Next, we introduce a powerful, invigorating cold exposure. Don't worry, it's not a full cold shower, just 30 seconds of targeted rejuvenation. This quick shock sends a potent stay young signal directly to your cells. Fill a sink or a bowl with cold water, adding ice if you desire an extra boost. Take a deep breath, then submerge your face completely for 10 to 15 seconds. Come up, take another breath, and repeat once more. This simple act activates cold shock proteins, dramatically improves mitochondrial function, and enhances cellular resilience. Now, let's ignite your metabolic repair switch, signaling your body to burn fat and clean house. This final 30-second burst of movement is your secret weapon for cellular rejuvenation. It's quick, effective, and incredibly powerful. Choose one of these simple, yet potent exercises. Hold a plank for 30 seconds, perform 20 bodyweight squats, or hold a wall sit for 30 seconds. Just 30 seconds is all it takes. This activates an enzyme called AMPK, a master switch for fat burning, inflammation reduction, and crucial cellular cleanup, literally helping your cells stay young. This isn't just a collection of random exercises. It's a synergistic protocol designed to hack your biology. Breathing calms your nervous system, reducing the stress that accelerates aging. Cold strengthens your mitochondria, boosting your cellular energy factories. Movement activates repair genes, initiating deep cellular rejuvenation. Together, these three steps powerfully shift your body from a state of chronic stress to deep repair. They transform inflammation into resilience and actively reverse the aging process towards regeneration. Because this happens first thing in the morning, these profound anti-aging benefits ripple throughout your entire day, setting a new biological trajectory. You might not feel a dramatic shift on day one, and that's perfectly normal. But consistency is key to unlocking your body's incredible potential. After just a few weeks of this simple, powerful routine, people consistently report remarkable changes. Expect to experience more stable, sustained energy throughout your day. Notice better focus and mental clarity, along with deeper, more restorative sleep. Many report less joint stiffness and a significantly improved mood. These aren't just temporary fixes. These are undeniable signs that your biological age is actively moving in the right direction, making you feel truly younger. Aging is not just a passage of time. It's a series of biological signals. This 2-minute morning routine empowers you to take control of those signals, actively reversing your biological age. It costs nothing, requires no special equipment, and works in perfect harmony with your body's innate intelligence. Don't just age gracefully, age powerfully. Try this transformative routine tomorrow morning and commit to it for 30 days. Share your journey in the comments below and subscribe for more science-backed strategies to live younger, longer. Your future self will thank you.